well, go on, man. You're tuning into Click React, and today we're gonna be looking at Rajahwild. He released a single, Sin Out, and the music video just dropped, so I'm just gonna be reacting to that, guys. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like, man, and let me know what you think about this song, because I think he's one of those, you know, he's coming up, right? Like, obviously everybody that's in dancehall, they're in there for a little bit or whatever, and they have, but he has a couple hits that I do like, and I think he can actually get up there with like the type of music that Baker and Valiant are really doing, you know what I'm saying? But let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys later. This is my first time hearing
God has
this.
pronounced that the penalty of sin is spiritual death, and the separation from God in a place of judgment called hell. Wages of sin is death. Believe no, man. This a really unfair, I'm no see too. Bad things happen to good.
Alright, that's good. I thought that I was here thinking, yo, the man have whatever them eye to be like he had a rollback or whatever, and it's gonna be like a demonic thing, but it's not. So that's good. It's a positive message one. This one is not about scamming, it seems.
People, so as far as me see, then you better you be evil and call it karma when bad
Hold on, never mind. It might be about evil.
things reach up. Everybody have them season, and everything happen for a reason. So me I do what I do when I ease up. A millions many.
Them a force baptize man to blood. What is that? A live exorcism?
What if I tell you that I'm sorry? Would you forgive me for my wrongs? What if I tell you that I've learned my lesson?
I definitely rate the beat, the rhythm here is sick.
Would you give me a second chance? You say you need my soul, want me to be here till I get old. But I don't know. Down here kinda gone. We don't ready yet. Me can't hear say me dead. Promise her a ski motion I get it. Me know my dog must have wonder with me there. Can't drop out and me leave make it. Take me back to life. Take me back to
Like the video is like kind of complex, right? Because at the same time I try to listen to your lyrics, I try understand what I want in that video, you know what I said?
Paper no matter the price. Them pussy they can't stop it. So would you forgive me for my wrongs? Or if I tell you that I've learned my lesson, would you give me a second chance? Want me to be here till I get old?
What the white woman them for?
But I don't know.
Client? Is this a subliminal for clients?
Kinda cold.
Psych up money.
Promise me some gon' die old. Want rich till them have to say me sold my soul. So put in work and hold my own. Have to set legacy before I go.
One thing me know saying it is super hot to wear that jacket. This look like a real puffer winter jacket. Like, damn.
That alone I know. Spaniard by art and Spain tone while grow. I'm a see the way out, so me show my bro. Bright in the dark like a whole lighthouse. So would you forgive me for my anger if I tell you I've learned my lesson?
Yeah, I rate the visuals to the song still.
Want me to be here till I but I don't know.
One thing I know, the lighter that it hot, cause Mount Casino they probably did have a light, you know what I'm saying?
Kinda go. So would you forgive me for
KD
my
visuals, yeah, the visuals. I just want to say the visuals are tough for this song. Like the editing and everything is good. The color scheme, the color grading.
Did you give me a second chance? Sin a friend.
Overall, you know, like I think the song that it was alright, like an average song. You know what I say? From some of the recent songs that might have like when I think of actual bangers, like, you know what I say, super fire. This was alright, a little decent message or whatever, you know, forgive me for what I've done, stuff like that. But I think in general, him have like talent for be up there as I said before. But let me know what you guys think, man. I'll see you guys later. Appreciate you for watching. Don't forget to drop a like on this video, man, and sub to the channel if you're new, man. I'll see you guys.